Hey, hi everyone. So today's topic is like how we can use place sound module and date and time module to alarm our system at particular time or at a scheduled time, right? So the alarm. So to alarm our system on a particular time, so we need to import two modules. One is import date time module and the second one is place sound module. So date and time will import as, let's say, as ep, and from place sound import place sound. Okay, yeah, yeah. So it's perfectly run, no error. So what we are going to do is like we are going to ask user, hey user, can you tell me at what time you need to ring your alarm? So let's say input, hey user, set your alarm. Please enter your time in hours, minute format. Okay, so we are asking user, can you please enter your hours and minute at what time you want your alarm to be ring. So basically we are not focusing on the second part, like second in, like only we are focusing on hours and minute only. The second, like it will change, right? So it is very sensitive, that is why. So hours will store into hours, minute will store into the minute. So let's split according to that. So if user enters, then split, huh? Yeah. And even the hours and minute will come in STR format. So we need to change into INT, right? Yeah. So we have changed into the INT. Now, like system does not know what is AM and what is PM. Systems count hours or time in format of 24-hour format. Like 3 p.m. will be calculated as a 15, right? So we are going to ask user that, hey user, can you tell me, like, is it AM or PM? So the same way str input, hey user, is it AM or PM? I'm just using lower function. So in case user use capital PM or AM, so at least it can convert into the lowercase, right? Here we are using a condition. Suppose if A and Pn is equal to Pn, then in that case our hours becomes hour plus 12, right? Did you get my point? So like suppose if you are writing 3 hours PM, then it will become 15 hours. So yeah, so that is the formula, or that is the case what we are using. So now we'll use the while loop. user, like what we are going to ask, not to user, to system. Hours, our input hours matches with the system time and please ring my bell. So here what we are going to do is that, so this is the date and time module functions. So from the system we are extracting the time, the current time, what is the current time at now, like at this particular time, and in that also we are just extracting the hours only. With hours we need to extract minute also, right? We need to compare with minute. So in minute, mm, so in case if this loop successfully run, then we'll say, what can say, hey user, please pick up. Now we use place sound module. In the play sound here, the location of your soundtrack wherever it is present, that location you need to use it. Now there are different cases, like in the different ways the location you can insert. But in the simple way, what I do is that just change the directory of the system and just insert here the track name. So as you know that the OS, the OS module give the authority to change the directory, right? So here I'm going to import OS module also. So hey OS, can you please change my directory? So we are going to ask OS to change directory. Exactly. Yeah. So the location of your folder you need to give it to here. Yeah. So my location folder is like this. Okay. So we have asked system, hey, can you change my directory? So like before going into this, like why I want to change the directory, I'll show you one thing. The current directory is not what the system is locating. So if you want to check like what is the current directory location, so if you get cwd, so you can see that currently this system is locating C user directly. So once I run this program, at that time you just check it that what directory it will come. So just I'm asking system, can you change it to this directory? So once it get changed, so I can call my mp3 sound accordingly. Okay, so once this function runs, after that we can break the loop, right? So far we have done all the thing. I guess now this should run. Okay, so here it's asking me to enter, okay, 7. So see, now here we go. Our function is running. So here asterisk symbol shows that still this program is running. So when it's get completed, see now it's not there. The asterisk symbol is not there, right? Okay. Now, as I told you earlier, that the get CAW earlier it was showing this user, this path. If you will check the directory, it get changed. So that is because we ask system to change the directory. So here, so usually what people do, they don't change the directory. They just enter this thing with this. Okay, and sometimes they get like they get error. Okay, so that is why I'm just using this method.